guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this "Are you a good kisser" filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit Banana Beauty. You can follow Banana Beauty to unlock all this filter to your camera tray. There are some awesome filters. So check in the filter tray, and this is the filter Good Kisser. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. Okay, and to use this filter you have to press and hold the camera button. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.